In order to use ebooks in Educate.ie, you need to first create an ebook app account. Click on the red button that says Redeem eBooks on the front page of Educate.ie. You will be prompted to log in or create an account, so click on Create Student Account at the bottom and then enter your email address that you will use to log into the app. You then need to choose a password and enter it twice. The password must be at least 7 characters long. Then click the Create Account button. You will then be told whether the account has been created successfully. You will be asked to log in. Log in using the same email address and password and click the Login button. You are now ready to start redeeming your ebooks. Once you're logged into the Educate.ie website, the site will tell you which email address account you're logged into. If it's not the correct one for your ebook app, you can log out and try again. Enter your ebook redeem code carefully and then click the Check Code button. The site will tell you which ebook you are redeeming. If it's correct, click Yes, redeem my ebook. The site will let you know that your ebook has now been successfully redeemed in your account. If you want to redeem another ebook, click on the Redeem Another button. If not, close the site and open your Educate.ie ebook app on your device or computer. There are versions of the Educate.ie ebook app for almost all devices and computers. Once your Educate.ie ebook app has been successfully installed on your device, log into the app with the same email address and password that you used when you redeemed your ebook. You will see your redeemed ebooks in the app, waiting for download. If you're logged in and you only see samples, check that the categories filter is set to show all ebooks. Always remember to be logged into your ebook app to see your redeemed ebooks.